everyone, so welcome to Happy Soul Journey. And today's question is that how your person of interest, whomsoever is on your mind and your heart, what they feel for you. We will go into details and we'll have charms. I already pulled the cards. I'll pull some cards for you from this deck. And we will have some initials, okay, and some cubes, some dice also. Okay, so these are the three piles. I will give you a close-up look, and we will also have the time dice and this, plus we will going to have the songs also. Okay, so there's a lot. Be cozy, be comfy, have a coffee and make yourself comfortable, because this will be a hell of a ride, and I hope we will enjoy it together. You will enjoy it. Definitely let me know that how it feels for you, the reading, and if you like it, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. Don't miss to hit the bell button so that you can get the notification for my upcoming videos. Plus, if you want a personal reading with me, my contact details are in description box below. My Gmail ID, Instagram ID, plus my WhatsApp number. So whatever suits you, go for that, and we can discuss more when you email me. My price list is also in the description box below. So whatever is like, if you want to make any change in the readings, then definitely hit me up and we can discuss about that. Okay, so on that note, we can start, and I am going to give you a close-up look, and after that I'll start with the pile number 1, and timestamps are in description box below as well as in comment section below, so you can go there and go to your reading. Okay, so let's start with the pile number 1. So this is the close-up for the reading. This is pile number 1. This is pile number 2. And this is pile number 3. So I feel you're getting a good view of these piles, and now you could calm yourself and go for the pile, whichever is attracting you the most. Okay, and we're gonna pull a lot of things, so be patient and be very, very cozy and get all the information in. Okay, so let's start with the pile number, this beautiful pile number 1. Timestamp for all the other piles are in description box below, so go there and check that out. Okay, people who've chosen the pile number 1, let's see what you got. So first of all, there is a cage. Okay, if you've chosen this card, let me put it here. Yeah, let me put it here. Okay, and we will roll the dice, but let's see what else you got. This is the card which how you see them. This is, and all the other cards will tell us that how they truly are towards you, what's their true feelings. So there's a, how you see them is a gossip card. We will look into that. Don't feel like, I'll explain it to you. How they feel about you, how they see you is a bully card, then completion, angel of balance. There's here and now, and there's a lot of other cards. So first of all, look into this card. Okay, so what this card is talking about is awakens consideration for the feelings of other, honoring trust, thrives on the power of passing on private and secret information, betraying confidence. Looking at the other cards, I'm feeling really like this person was like meant like that. They have a personality like that, where they don't have that much of like feelings for others. They don't have that much of empathy for others. So that's how you see them. That's you feel like they don't care. They don't care. If you tell them any whatever you have told them, you have a feeling, you have a fear that they will share that with other person. Okay. Or if this is a third party situation, you will feel like they will share all those things which you have shared with them with the third party. So that's the fear here. And there is a lack of trust from your side when it comes to them. You don't trust them actually, and that is little bit difficult. The trust is coming little bit difficult for you here. And yeah, that's how you are seeing them. You are not trusting them, and you feel like they don't care about you and about your feelings. Okay. Yeah, there is a lack of communication. There's a misunderstanding also between both of you. I feel there is a lack of communication. Things are not being explained as it shouldn't be. It should be explained to you, and the communication should flow freely between both of you. But I'm feeling like you are feeling like things are not appropriate, things are not at par what it should be, if they care about you. So you have a feeling that they don't care about you. Okay. Now, how they actually feel towards this bully highlights your tendency to intimidate others, help you confront the inner fears that bully you, conceal the fear behind verbal or physical abuse. Completion, angel of balance here and now. And there's a lack consciousness, then purpose, and then confidence reverse. And the tarot, their feelings towards you, the tarot is Three of Swords. So this person is seeing you as an intimidating person, who is just thinking about their thoughts, thinking about what they can get out of this. Let's have some charms also for you. Okay, that's it. Okay, so there is a glasses. So things need to be seen from perspective. Like you both have a different perspective. You are thinking like they don't care, and they are thinking like you don't care, because you are just putting your forces, putting your tantrums. They are not seeing you in a good light. They are seeing like you are showing tantrums there. So they are trying to balance the thing. Like if you are showing tantrum, then they will show tantrum. If you are seeing like this connection cannot go anywhere, then definitely they are also seeing that this connection cannot go anywhere. But they are trying to be in the present moment. They're not trying to think about the future. They're not planning the future here in any way, like not in the positive way about this connection, like maybe we'll come together, or not, neither in the negative way, like there is nothing to be in the future. But presently what they are thinking, they are just out of like balance. They don't think that there is anything which can be done. Yeah, but there is a feeling, yes, purpose is there. Okay, feelings are hurt, definitely, but they are like they are in a self-preservation mode. They could be a water sign or a fire sign. Okay, so there is like there is still some hope, but they are not seeing that hope completely. Like they're just rejecting that. I don't want to think about that. Like they have a feeling like I don't want to think about this thing. Positivity is there. A lot of thinking is also there. Okay, there is a things can go either of the direction for this connection. It's like steering wheel is in your, there is a knot in this connection. That means there is a breakage kind of thing, but things can be meant. Pisces, if a Pisces is involved, or everything is based upon like some fantasy or some things which is not even there. Like you both are fighting or you both are struggling in this connection because of the things which are not exactly, there. So this is like something which is like you both are facing, like other person don't care about you. But the truth is that you need to change the perspective and see that other person cares about you, but they are seeing you in the other kind of light. So they are like, don't, this is not helping. Let me correct it. The feelings that they have for you, it's not helping enough to see you completely, because what they are perceiving you as, like, you don't care. You don't care about their feelings, you don't care about what they think, you don't care about how they see their life, you don't care about their perspective. You both need to here respect each other's perspective. Okay, and that's what is coming here, guys. Let's roll the dice for you people. Yeah, see, there is a fear of something which is breaking you apart. You both are feeling caged in your ego, in your situation. This is getting really, really worse here. Okay, now let's have some initials. Okay, so there is I. It could be that I, it is in their name. J, O, E, O, G, C, P. It could be their name, your name, or someone important. A, E, P. Okay, E, H, M, M, O, A, N, or this could be their surname or your surname. Okay, this is just a confirmation that this reading is for you. Or as if you are getting that this reading is for you, then definitely take it. SEIW. So that's there. Let's see the future of this connection. What's in the future of this connection? What is spirits? Change is needed to move forward. So you both need to make a change inside your perspective. I'm seeing like you both need to look at the things with the other, a different kind of perspective here. You both need to see each other's perspective here and be very careful. Like you both are thinking like wrong, in the wrong direction. This is not, there is a feeling, there is a purpose here. This person feels for you, so you are totally wrong about them, and they are totally wrong about you, because you are hitting your head here with this reading to know about that they even care about you or not. Okay, so both the people care about each other, but there is a lack of understanding, a lack of perspective. So change is needed to move forward. Okay, and divine will. Divine will is there for someone. One more. I want to pull one more card for you people. So what's there? Third party. Okay, so there is a third party. I was getting a feeling here that there is a third party. It could be family. It could be someone's partner. It could be like someone's friend. But there is a third party which is maybe in some way affecting this situation, and changes needed to make to to have a right view. Okay, so let's have a song messages for you people. Okay, so you got one, this Earned It by Weeknd. So listen to this song. This is really beautiful song. Let me have one more song for you people. I don't think so any other song wants to come for you. I'm feeling that for the whole while this song is really, really important. So listen to this song. Okay, okay, now if you have a question in your mind, make it really clear in your mind. Okay, and make it very crisp and clear. You can pause the video, and this is we are going to roll the yes no dice, and there are a lot of other things related to this yes no. So let's see what comes. So let's roll the dice, guys. So for the pile number one, what's the answer for their question? Yes, the answer is yes. If you have asked that this person loves you, definitely. I'm already telling you that there's a misunderstanding here. Okay. Okay, now it's about time related thing. So make a question which is very crisp and very simple and very clear, and then we can roll the dice. So you can pause the video and think about the question. So let's see. Whew. The answer for the pile number 1. Weeks. So few weeks. Okay, especially if you are a fire sign or your person is a fire sign. Okay, so now let's wrap it up on that note. Let me know that how it resonated with you guys, and if you want a personal reading with me, definitely hit me up. My contact details are in description box below. Subscribe to my channel. I will love if we share a bond, and welcome to my family. Happy soul journey. Okay, so all the best. Be calm, be peaceful, and be happy. Okay, so bye. Hello, pile number 2. So let's see. We will roll the dice this later, and these 2 dice is also. So be calm, and this is bicycle charm for you. So let's see how it is. It will go with your reading. Okay. So first of all, we'll look into that how you are seeing this person. So you are seeing this person as an exorcist, that is freeing yourself and others of destructive impulses, fear of facing your own demons. So you are seeing this person that either they need to remove their fear, out of this connection. They need to be brave, they need to be courageous when it comes to this connection. Okay, and when it comes to this relationship, the future of this relationship, what they need to take steps, what kind of steps they need to take is like you are seeing that this person needs to remove the fear, or you are very confident that this person will take care of everything, either of it. Okay, that's how you are seeing this person. Now let me see how they feel and see you. Poet expresses soul insights in the symbolic languages. Goddess of moon, spiritual career, flexible. What kind of advice they give themselves is flexible. Power reverse, that is 4 of Pentacles reverse. Grief, illusion, and this was spiritual career. Need to make a little more space from next time. I hope you are seeing all the cards. Now let's have the charms, and then we will talk together. So for pile number 2, that's it. So there could be a fire sign or air sign. Air sign, water sign are also coming up here. And these are the 10 of swords and 10 of cups for me. So there is a painful ending which was there. 7 of wands. So 24, 20s, it could be number which is important for you, a birthday or some important date. Aquarius, Sagittarius is there, and all the earth signs are also there. So I'm seeing Virgo also September, and Leo also. 80 number is a lot of numbers are coming up for you. E, so there could be a word, or Aries, so Aries are also there. Same world, what's that? R, letter R. No, it's H, sorry, he. So it is like he. If this is a man, this is a male, then that's important message. He word is coming here. And adventure, same world, and there is a cute love story I'm seeing here, because this pinky flower is for me that, I like you a lot. 7 of wands and 7 of pentacles. Okay, so 7 number is coming up strong here for you. And 7 is here. 7 you are getting 7 of cups also. So 7 number is important. 7. So if there is a 7 number which is important for you, then that's good. Secondly, 7 number represents spirituality. So I would say there is a very, very strong spiritual connection between both of you. Okay, so there is something, there's this person see you as a very, very beautiful person, very creative person, someone who can heal the world, someone who is very healing to them. They feel like, in your presence, or when they talk to you, or when they think about you, it's very healing to them, it's very soothing to them. It's like, getting a spa. Okay, so yeah, or maybe they want to have a spa from you, from your beautiful hands. So that can be one of the thing. The sea as a beautiful goddess of moon is also showing me that, there is a beauty that they see in you. Okay, maybe you are in a spiritual career, or they see you as, in the future, that in the spiritual kind of career, like it could be tarot, it could be some healing, it could be some helping people to understand themselves. So that's there's this big spirituality that they see in you. So maybe they know that you watch tarot readings, okay, or maybe you do also tarot readings. Okay, so there is like, they don't try to dominate you in any way. They are like power reverse. They just give up all the power when it comes to you. They are trying to be very, very flexible when it comes to this connection. But there is something which is, bugging them, because there's a lot of 7 energy, which is struggling energy. But still this person is like, very, very on it, like, things will grow, things can grow. I will fight. 7 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles. I am patient. I will fight. I will make things happen. Honestly, they are giving them their 100% to this connection. Okay, they think about you a lot. There is a lot of dreams that they have for you, and they are, for few of you, maybe they are just dreams till now. Maybe they are not even come, maybe they haven't, even touched you, or felt you, or not even talked to you, but everything isn't just in their dreams. But the dreams are really, really beautiful, because this person has a very strong connection. September could be important date for you. Maybe you have came into relationship with them, or maybe you have met this person. So that is coming up straight, very awesome. Like, this person has a lot of dreams for you, and this is very, really, they want to be very super soft. And this is coming up for few. Maybe they see you as very super soft, like they want to take care of you. And they also feel like, if when they will touch you, it will be very soft to touch. Okay, so there is like struggling time also. 10 of Swords, I feel they are thinking like, things of dark time, like the bad stuff is going to end soon. This 3 of Swords, the grief, the sadness is going to end soon, and you both will have a 10 of Cups definitely in the future. That's how they see this thing. Okay, now let's roll the dice. What else we need to know? Their feelings. Okay, so they are very protective. There's a protection from their side of this connection. And bicycle is telling me maybe about, this is like slow and steady. This connection is building, or it will build up. And they are very, very patient. They are very, very patient. They want you. They want that 10 of Cups with you. They want to be with you. They want to touch you. They want to feel you. They want to have that soothing feeling for their entire life. So this is like, this person is totally, totally into you. Give this a chance. They are telling me that, this connection has a very good chance. Destiny want that. And engage with people. So this could be like, if you are thinking like you should talk to this person or not, I think you should. Secondly, I am seeing engagement here. In the future, in the destiny, there is engagement of this, of both of you. Someone will help you, or helping your connection. So you are getting the help that this connection needs. Okay, so there is nothing to be sad or upset about, getting upset about here. Okay, now let's have some initials here. Got a lot of initials. Okay, so E, S, D, B, R, I, A, okay, E, E, A, O. This could be, you can make someone's name, or this could be just initial of their name or surname of their name, or something related to them. N, A, I, Z, J, D, N, E, O, O, T, I. You remember, there is a movie in Bollywood in which, the hero, the male lead, like in a jovial way says like the female lead's name was Z, so he was making a fun of them, one of her, like ZTV. So I don't know why that came up to me, but I want to share that with you people. Okay, so now let's have a song, and then we'll roll the dice for the time and the yes or no, so you can make that question up. So give me one song for the pile number 2 from the person. Oh, so you're getting a lot of songs. Pile number 1 just got one song. Falling for you, so definitely they are falling for you. I don't have any question in that regard. Collide by Rachel Platten. This is very like sexual kind of song also. Without Me, Halsey. Lost in Japan by Shawn Mendes. So it is little bit of negative song, but they think like they cannot survive without you. Maybe you can sing this song because they are not dominating, but you can sing this song that they cannot survive without you. So that's, there is a, oh, one more song, I even saw that. 1,000 Years by Christina Perry. I like this song a lot. I'll wait for you for the 1,000 years. So this person will wait for you no matter how much longer it is. They will wait for you because they want to have everything that they have fantasized and dreamed of. This person is really, really strong and courageous. Okay, and if you are seeing them, they don't have courage, like, and you are wrong, because this person is really, really courageous. Yeah, I know this thing is going a little bit in the slower mode, but things will get all right. So you don't need to be worried about that. Okay, and let's roll the dice for the yes no question. You can stop the video, make the question very clear in your mind, and then you can see that what's the answer, what answer is coming for you. So for the pile number 2, what's the answer for the question? Secret, guys. They don't want to tell you, so there's a wink. So they are keeping it secret for your good. So this wants to be secret, this needs to be secret. Okay, now let's see the time related questions. So let's see, you can pause the video and then make the question very crisp and clear, and let's see the answer for the question that pile number 2 has. Some months, 1 month or few months, especially if you are a water sign. This is a special message for you. And yeah, so that's that, guys. I am like, that's all I have for you today, and we can do more in other video. So you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and definitely hit the bell button so you don't miss the other video that I'll put up next or next and next. Okay, and if you want a personal reading with me, definitely hit me up. My contact details and description box below. Plus, if you like this video, definitely comment below and like this video. It will make me feel like I'm definitely connecting to you people. So yeah, if you're liking it, definitely connect with me. Okay, so bye. Hello, pile number 3. So we have all these cards. We'll pull the charms, alphabets, and we have songs. So be cozy, relax, and let's see what happens. And we're also going to pull the yes no dice and the timing dice. So whatever your question, make it till the end. You have time till then, so make it very crisp and clear in your mind. So let's see, we'll roll this dice later. Okay, there is an eagle charm to you people, and yeah, so let me put it here. First of all, let's see how how you see this person. Okay, that's very important. Addict helps you recognize and confront addictive behavior, compromises integrity and honesty, allows an addictive pattern to have authority over your inner spirit. Okay, so I'm seeing two kind of patterns, two kind of things. First of all, this person is resistant towards you, like they are resisting you, and secondly, they have taught a lot they have taught a lot in a way, like you are able to point out a lot of patterns inside you because of the pain maybe this person has inflicted in you with this resistance. So this person is like continuous resistance that you are feeling from this person's side, and this person has also helped you in seeing a lot of addictive behavior and a lot of addictive patterns inside you, toxic patterns inside you. Plus maybe you have also shown them some path in their life, like these things are wrong, you are doing this wrong kind of stuff, and there's a addressing part there. Yeah, so there's a helping on both the parts. How they see you, Samritan. Refines the capacity to help those you would prefer to ignore, exacting appreciation and recognition for the help you offer. So there's a that's what I said, the capacity to help those you prefer to ignore. It's like other people ignore those people, but you try to help. Maybe other people have ignored them, and but you try to help them. Surrender, synchronicity, community reverse, serendipity, ace of pentacle, indecision, self-love, acceptance and blame. Let me make up some space here. Okay, we can have some space here. Okay, so what I'm seeing here for you people is like, first of all, they don't want to share with you, with the world or their community. There is a lack, there is a secrecy there, there is a lack of sharing. Plus also they have a feel like they don't want to include you in their close community, no matter how helped they are feeling from your side, and how much surrendering they are doing, like let's see what happens kind of feeling. And sometimes they feel like whatever is happening for the good, we are on the right place, but there's a closed offness because they have there's a lack of self-love there, and they are blaming a lot of stuff, and they are also seeing this thing like you are blaming them for a lot of stuff, like you did this thing wrong, you did that thing wrong. And they also think like you have a lack of self-love because whatever is happening between both of you, you should have moved on from them. There is also that kind of thing, and they are very indecisive when it comes to you. Yeah, they want a starting with you, a fresh start for this connection, because whatever had done, they want a clean slate. But whatever has have happened, you cannot change it, you cannot forget it, because it's there, it's like record. So you cannot change that thing, but they want a fresh slate. They think like if you both have met in some other kind of situation, then it would be something really different. Okay, now it's like I cannot change the past, whatever happened, I cannot change that thing, so I need to accept that thing. And I shouldn't blame this person, and this person also shouldn't blame me, because there is a self-love kind of thing also. They should have preserved themselves, I have preserved myself. So whatever has happened and I cannot change it, but it's like I want a fresh slate start with them. But there's a lack of trust also. Still there's a lack of trust, because They are not very sure about themselves. They are not very sure about that you will forgive them and you will move on completely. Yeah, they are thinking like, you are a person who just help anyone who needs help. It's like you have a big heart. It's so big that you even don't care about yourself. Okay, so let's have some charms for you people. Okay, that's that. So there's a water sign. What happened to me? Maybe you have met in a college or something. Okay, E letter is already there. Aquarius, May. So it could be in May someone's birthday, or May you have met. Plenty of D letter. Two of cups is there. So love is there, but something happened in the past which you both have been friends, or you are no longer friends. Common to reverse, you're no longer friends. And Pisces is there. Differently is there, like they have they see you differently now. The way they saw you in the past, they see you differently now. There's a difference. Adventure is there, so there's needs some change. H letter. This is like 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of cups. So there's a lot of cups. Water sign. You both must be water sign, or there's a lot of emotions. They want to erase the past. That's what I was talking about. They want to erase the past. They dream about you. They fantasize about you. Okay, 10 of swords. They want to end that thing. There's a cute love there, that I like you. It's not just like I can't live without you, but yeah, I like you. Flashlight. So they are seeing the pathway right now. 10 of swords again. So there's a 10 of swords twice for you. Okay, and they want to grab you or grab this connection, but they are unable to. June. So it could be someone's birthday in June. So love is there, guys. They want to erase the past, but it's not that easy, right? It's not that easy. Let's have some letters. B letter, B, F. So it could be their initial, your initial, their surname, surname's initial, or it could be something related to V, web. Maybe you both have felt like very. There is a primal instinct also. They are attracted to you also. Yeah, they like you, but they are attracted to you from always. But there was something which was like, hanging. E, C, C, G, E, U. This eagle is L, U, love you, A, D, V. So, eagle is saying me that, there is a primal instinct. They had their eyes on you from a very long time, but, something wrong happened here. Let's see what Spirit wants to tell us about the future of this connection. What's the future of this connection? What we need to know about the future of this connection. Chemistry. So yeah, chemistry is definitely there. Seduction. You cannot control others. You are enough. So they will be feeling like, you cannot control them, and they will feel like they are enough. So there will be chemistry and seduction. Forgiveness and leave. Okay, forgiveness and leave. Let's see. Let's roll the dice here. What we need to know more about their feelings. Okay, so there is like first of all the primal instinct, because this is like when humans were not that much of consciousness, like so there's a primal instinct. So definitely there's a lot of attraction there. Secondly, they need to grow more, because this is the previous version of human. So there is a lack of humanity in them. Okay, now let's have a song from their side. Okay, so we got a lot of song. Only just first I got just one song. Hips don't lie. So definitely they like your hips, or your back. Love story, Taylor Swift. So it could be a college love story because we got this college charm. Steal My Girl by One Direction. And If I Ever Lost You by Tyler Shaw. So this is a beautiful song also. And let's roll the dice. First of all, let's roll dice for the no and yes question. So make it very crisp and clear in your mind. Make your mind very clear when you are making this question. You can pause the video and let's roll the dice now. The pile number 3 was the answer of their question. Maybe yes. The answer is maybe yes. Okay, now let's see the time related question. So make it very crisp and clear. You can pause the video. And now let's roll the dice. Make it very clear what your question is. Okay, if you want to rephrase it, definitely I would say do that. I'm getting a feeling that you should rephrase it, the question. You should rephrase the question. And you can pause the video for that and let's roll the dice. So for the pile number 3, what's the answer to their question? Time related question. Few days, especially if you are a air sign. Okay, and you know guys, what we got, yeah, we got this. So this person wants to make a fresh start, but it is difficult. So if they come towards you to make a fresh start, I will say be little bit responsive and little bit like you can't control what they will do. So if you want to preserve yourself, definitely do that, but I would say give them a little chance here. Okay, and yeah, that's all I want to say. And be careful of getting close with them because there is a lot of attraction. Okay, so let this liking build up to the I love you. Okay, then make that move because there's a lot of attraction. I'm little bit of cautious of that. I'm feeling little bit of fearful of that. I don't normally do that, but I'm feeling you need to be little bit of cautious with them and be have some boundaries with them. Be very clear in that and have some self-love, and they will respect your self-love. Okay, because they thought in the past and also think right now that you have a lack of self-love because you allow people just because they feel good. You allow people in your boundaries. You try to help people for their sake of you are not getting anything out of it. You just help people without you have so much big heart, but be careful there. Have a little boundary there, especially there's a Pisces. So Pisces have a wrong rap of being a little bit emotional there. Okay, so don't think it like it will be an overnight change. It will be a slow change, but there's a lot of things which are saying this could be a very sexual connection. So be careful there. Let it grow because it has a capacity to grow. Okay, so if they come towards you, just forgive and leave the past and leave the situation altogether. Let's have a clean start. And how we do the start, we go slow. We go like, let's understand each other, let's do this, let's be friends, let's do this, little bit, go slow with them. They will also be great when you will go slow with them. They don't even know because of this much of attraction, but if you will take this connection slow, this connection has a lot of potential, trust me. Okay, so that's that, guys. Let me know how it resonated with you, and what else you want to share with me. You can comment below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Definitely hit the bell button so that you can get the notification of my next videos. Okay, and if you want a personal reading with me, my contact details are in description box below. There's a price list also with the reading, so you can check everything in the description box below. I have written there, and hit me up. Okay, we can discuss what you want and how we can do that. Okay, so bye. Be happy on this happy soul journey. Bye. Mwah.